hydraulic briquette machine. And this machine actually made by Zhengzhou EP machinery. The top is the feeder to feed the material into two hoppers. And this is a discharging port where the briquettes come out. This is a cutter to cut the length according to the customer requirements. This is a hydraulic device which gives the main pressure to the briquette machine. So that is why the machine will working very stable. This is one feeding hopper. Another feeding hopper. Another side discharging port where the briquettes come out. Another cutter to cut the briquettes according to your requirements. So this is a whole machine. Take a look. Okay.